And welcome back to my channel. My name is Ornella. You are on Nella's Corner. I barely post, but that's gonna change. Today's video though is an eyebrow tutorial, or you can call it that. I'm just gonna say it's a video of me doing my brows. I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow pomade in the shade 380 deep brown. I tried to use this new concealer my friend is like putting out there. It wasn't the right shade. So what I ended up actually using to do my brows and perfect my brows was the Urban Decay Stay Naked Correcting Concealer in the shade 80WR. It's a whole lot of me laughing at random things because I was listening to a podcast while recording. But hey, enjoy. that was my brow tutorial. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe. And if you got extra time on the internet, because who doesn't these days, feel free to go check out my blog, nellascorner.com. Later.